Hello dear students, our today's topic is electric dipole. Okay, so what is the meaning of electric dipole? So di that means two pole. Okay, that means a system having two pole is known as electric dipole. Okay, now what are these two pole? मतलब ये दो पोल कौन से पॉसिबल है, मतलब कौन से हो सकते हैं, राइट? सो हियर वी कंसिडर दैट इज अ टू पोल, दैट इज हियर वी कंसिडर अ सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ चार्जेस, that is the two charges. So suppose here we consider it is a two charge, you can say plus q and you can say it is a minus q. Okay, and they are separated by some finite distance. Okay, for from this center, suppose distance is a and this distance is a, so the total separation between these two charge is 2a, right? So this system is known as dipole. Okay, so what is the definition of electric dipole? So a system consists of two equal and opposite charges separated by some finite distance is known as electric dipole. A system consists of two equal and opposite charges, मतलब ये दोनों चार्जेस है प्लस क्यू एंड माइनस क्यू सेम ही होने चाहिए, इक्वल एंड अपोजिट चार्जेस separated by some finite distance. So this finite distance is 2a, right? It may be any, then it is known as electric dipole, right? Now we can say dipole moment. So dipole moment, that is equal to charge, that is the either of charge into separation. So dipole moment is denoted by P, that is the charge is a 2 and separation is 2a. Okay, so Q into 2a, that is twice QA, that is known as P. What is the P? P is a dipole moment. Okay, what is the unit of dipole moment? So unit of dipole moment, that is the unit of charge is a coulomb and separation is a meter. So its unit is coulomb into meter, right? So it is a dipole moment. And one of the very important, that is what is the direction of this dipole moment. Okay, so what is a direction? So its direction minus q, that is a minus charge to plus charge, that is what minus q to plus q. It is a direction of dipole moment. Okay, that is minus q to plus q. So it is a direction of dipole moment, right? You can say it is a dipole moment P, minus q to plus q. Okay friends, so it is all about this electric dipole, right? So once again, what is electric dipole? A system consists of two equal and opposite charges separated by some finite distance is known as electric dipole. Okay, and what is the dipole moment? So dipole moment is a charge into separation. Now it is not necessary every time it is a 2a. Suppose suppose charge is a q and separation has suppose y. Okay, so what is the dipole moment? Q into y. It is like this. Suppose charge hai, it is a plus q and it is a minus q, plus q and it is suppose minus q, and the separation is suppose 2x. So what is the dipole moment? So q into 2x, right? So it is like this. So it is electric dipole. Now electric field of a dipole, our next topic, that is electric field of a dipole. So in this electric field of a dipole, A case, that is electric field on the axial point of a dipole. electric field on axis of a dipole, right? So what is the electric field on the axis of a dipole? Okay friend, so here we consider one axis और axis पर हम dipole consider करेंगे. Just focus here. Suppose here we consider this two charges plus q and minus q. Okay, suppose it is a two charge and we can say it is our point, p point somewhere here, right? So here we can say that this charge is minus q, this charge is a minus q, this charge is a plus q, and it is our point where you want to find the electric field. Okay, now tell me what is the direction of dipole? So direction of dipole is minus q to plus q, right? That means we can say it is a direction of electric dipole, minus q to plus q, it is the direction of dipole. Suppose यहाँ पर हम कंसिडर करते हैं ये है ओरिजिन, दैट इज द ओ. ओके, सो ये डिस्टेंस है a, ये डिस्टेंस भी है a, राइट? सो हियर व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ p, what is a distance of p from this minus q, and what is the distance of p from this minus q and plus q, right? So just focus here. And here from the center to this particle, you can say this distance is considered as a r. Center to this particle, we consider this distance r. Okay, this distance is a, this distance is also a. Okay, now see here, from plus q to this p point, ये distance क्या होगा? I want to find out this distance. Okay, so p से o distance है r and q से o distance है a. So what you can say? Can you say it is a r minus a? Can you say it is a r minus a distance? Okay, once again I repeat. So just focus here, p to this o point, this r, and plus q to o is a. Okay, I want to find out from where to where? I want to find out this plus to p, that is what? R minus a. Similar way, what is the minus q to p point? So here distance है r and this is a. So what you can say? It is r plus a. What is the distance? R plus a. So here we have distance r plus a and r minus a. Okay, now see, positive, for positive electric field along this direction, okay, you can say it is the E plus, and for negative the direction of electric field is E minus. चलो ये कैसे पता चला हमें? तो ये हमें पता चला दैट पॉजिटिव में से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन बाहर निकलती है. सपोज वी हैव पॉजिटिव चार्ज, तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज में से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन बाहर निकलेगी, राइट, और नेगेटिव में अंदर की तरफ जाएगी, राइट. सो हियर वी अप्लाइंग द सेम कंसेप्ट कि पॉजिटिव में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बाहर, तो उसकी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन की डायरेक्शन है मतलब ये ई प्लस और ये रहेगा ई माइनस. पर्टिकुलर एट पी पॉइंट के लिए हम बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो हियर इट इज लाइक दिस, एंड डाइपोल मोमेंट की डायरेक्शन है माइनस क्यू टू प्लस क्यू, राइट. सो दैट मीन्स वी कैन से डाइपोल मोमेंट की डायरेक्शन है ये पर्टिकुलर दिस डायरेक्शन, मतलब यहाँ पर ये डायरेक्शन रहेगी पॉजिटिव और ये डायरेक्शन रहेगी नेगेटिव. ओके, and what is the equation of electric field? So E is equal to kq by r square. We are going to use this formula. Okay, if you are not prepared, then just for this moment you will remember this equation. E is equal to kq by r square. Okay friends, now just tell me what is the electric field due to plus q charge? Okay, so E is equal to kq by r square, so you can say it is the kq by r, plus q to p का distance है r minus a, so what you can say, it is the r minus a whole square. Okay, so kq by r minus a whole square p cap, मतलब ये हो गया आपका वेक्टर. And what is the electric field due to this minus q charge, right? So you can say it is a kq by, you can say it is a r plus a whole square, but it is opposite to it, so you can say it is a minus p cap. Okay, so it is a e plus q and it is a e minus q. Okay, now just tell me what is the total electric field. So we can say the total electric field E is equal to E plus q plus E minus q. Okay, that means what you can say, you can say it is the kq by r minus a whole square into p cap minus kq by r plus a whole square into p cap, right? So here just we substitute the E plus q and E minus q's equation. Okay, now out of these two equation you can say kq is your common factor. Okay, that means total electric field, that is a kq is a common factor. So what is the inside a bracket? So inside a bracket 1 upon r minus a whole square. So 1 upon r minus a whole square minus 1 upon r plus a whole square into p cap, right? That means you can say kq. Now what is the LCM of r minus a and r plus a? So LCM is the r square minus a square, और total square है, that is the r square minus a square whole square is your LCM. Okay, so here in first term यहाँ पर r माइनस ए होल स्क्वायर, अदरवाइज यू कैन कंसिडर अ क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट, तो ये यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, ये यहाँ पर न मल्टीप्लाई, और दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन यहाँ पर, दैट इज आर स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर. ओके, सो हियर वी कैन से इट इज आर प्लस ए होल स्क्वायर माइनस आर माइनस ए होल स्क्वायर into p cap, right? That is equal to kq. Now open the bracket, that is the r square plus a square plus 2ra. ओके, मैं डायरेक्टली एक स्टेप इंक्रीज कर रहा हूँ, माइनस आर स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर माइनस माइनस प्लस 2ra. ओके, अपॉन आर स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर whole square into p cap, right? So here r square a square get cancelled, that is equal to kq into 2 into 2 into r into a upon r square minus a square whole square into p cap. Okay friends, but here we can say that twice q a is equal to what? Dipole moment. But twice q a is equal to p, that is a dipole moment. Okay, so you can say twice kp r upon r square minus a square whole square into p cap, right? So it is the equation of electric field twice kp r upon r square minus a square whole square. Suppose here we consider r is very greater than a, then neglect a, that is here we can say that r is very greater than a, then what you can say? You can say neglect a in comparison of r. तो इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगा? ट्वाइस के पी आर अपॉन आर का पावर हो जाएगा 4, तो एक एक पावर कैंसल, दैट इज द ट्वाइस के पी बाई आर क्यूब. व्हाट इट विल? ट्वाइस के पी बाई आर क्यूब into p cap, right? So it is the equation of electric field due to axial point. Okay, now here you can substitute the value of k. What is the k? So k is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, so what is the electric field? That is the 2 p upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube into p cap, right? So it's up to you कि आपको किस तरह से करना है. न्यूमेरिकल्स में यू कैन कंसिडर डायरेक्टली वैल्यू ऑफ के, दैट इज द 9 इंटू 10⁻⁹ SI, right? So it is like this. So it is all about this electric dipole due to axial point. Now next point, that is electric field due to equatorial point.